Imagine a world where robots don't just mimic human movement, but also understand and interact with us in meaningful ways. Meet Robot 1X, the latest innovation from Figure AI, a company that's redefining what humanoid intelligence means. This isn't some futuristic fantasy, it's a fully functional humanoid robot designed to tackle everyday tasks, just like we do. Equipped with two legs, arms, and hands, Robot 1X can navigate complex environments, manipulate objects, and respond to its surroundings in real time. Right now, it's being trained for warehouse work, moving boxes, stacking shelves, and assisting human workers. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Picture this. Robot 1X is also being developed for healthcare assistance, retail support, elderly care, and even household chores. It's built to take on repetitive, physically demanding, or even dangerous jobs, working tirelessly around the clock without needing breaks. What sets Robot 1X apart is its integration with advanced AI models like ChatGPT. This means it doesn't just follow commands, it understands natural language and can hold conversations. Imagine saying, "Clean the kitchen, then bring me coffee," and it actually comprehends and executes the tasks. This blend of robotics and AI is paving the way for intelligent machines that can collaborate with us, rather than just being programmed to obey. Figure AI's mission is ambitious to create a general purpose humanoid robot capable of working alongside humans in various settings: factories, hospitals, homes, and even outer space. As automation rises and labor shortages become more pressing, robots like Robot 1X could very well become an integral part of our workforce. So, is this the dawn of human AI coexistence? Or are we witnessing the beginning of a robotic revolution? One thing is clear: Robot 1X is not just another machine, it's a glimpse into the future of work and what's possible when we blend human ingenuity with advanced technology.